Welcome back. As we continue with our lesson, we look at objective number 2, or lesson objective number 2, rounding off decimal fractions to at least 2 decimal places. And let's look at a few notes. 1. When rounding off decimals, look at the digit to the right of the number of decimal places you are rounding off to. If it is greater or equals to 5, round off the previous digit or round up the previous digit. Or if it's less than 5, leave the previous digit as it is. And let's look at examples. This would make sense. 1. Round the following to 2 decimal places. You have 0,0283 and you want to round it off. Let's look at a solution. Now, 2 decimal places, we then look at the highlighted number, which is the third decimal place, the one on the right. And then we check. If it's greater than 5, in the case it's 8, so it's greater than 5, then we round up the previous one. So we're going to round up the 2. So we add 1 to the 2, and our answer would be 0,03. Are we happy? Let's move to the next one. Round the following to 3 decimal places. And let's read. Our decimal number is 9,92969. And we are rounding off to the 3rd decimal place. Now, note, our 3rd decimal place is a 9, and this we need to note. When rounding up a 9, write a 0 and round up the digit on the left. So a 9 rounded up becomes a 10. We write the 0, take the 1 to the digit on the left. Let's do it practically. Now, we have 9,92969. We're rounding off to the 3rd decimal place. We're focusing on the 4th decimal place. And the 4th decimal place is a 6, which is bigger than 5. Therefore, we're rounding up 9. If you round up 9, you're going to add 1 here, which gives you a 10. I want to write the answer in reverse. We're going to write it as 0 here. Remember, we have a 1 that we're still carrying. We add to the 2. It gives us a 3. And now we can continue to write our 9,9. And your answer should read 9,930. And let's look at the next one. Round the following to the 100th decimal place. This speaks to place value. 100th. This would be a 10th, and this is a 100th. So our focus would be the 2nd decimal place, but they've just pronounced it as a 100th decimal place. Now, we move and check the next decimal place, which is a 5. And we said if it's greater or equals to 5, then we round up the previous one. So we're going to add 4 here, and it's going to give us 0,05. And we have our answer. And with this, we have come to an end of our lesson. Till we see you next time, it's goodbye.